Good day. My name is Courtney and my team member
Oshane Smilie.
And today we will be doing a presentation on electrical installation level 1 cluster 1. Based on the task given, it's a
We should design a three-way control lighting circuit and wire the circuit using the Jamaica standard regulation.
So based on the task, yes, you could see our materials, our circuit, you could see our layout of our circuit. Yes. So here, up here is our potted, connected to the meter socket, to the distribution panel, which is the breaker box. Our three handy boxes where our switch 1, switch 2, and switch 3 are. Our 4x4x2 junction box, and our octagonal box where our lamp go. So this, you could see our conduits, yes, connected together. Yes. So you must wonder, what is the purpose of the conduit? The purpose of the conduit is to protect the wire from dangers. Yes. And here you could see our 290-degree bend. The purpose of the 290-degree bend is to change the direction or the run of the current. So the first thing that me and my team member has wired, the first wire that we have run is our earth wire.
Which is a 1.5 millimeter square.
Yeah, which is a 1.5 millimeter square. Here you could see how we ground off our circuit. Yes. Our handy boxes is ground off. Coming to our 4x4x2 junction to our octagonal box. Secondly, after wiring our grounding, after grounding of the circuit, we come over to our service main, which is a 220-volt supply. Yes. So my team member will go ahead and explain how the wiring is done for the 220-volt supply service main.
So firstly we have the potted, which is the point of entry to our line, which is line 1 and line 1. Line 1 and line 2 in our meter socket. And another neutral from the neutral bar.
From the earth bar.
From the earth bar.
Yes.
In the
going
meter
up
socket
to our potted, which is the point of entry.
Yeah. Then we have our load. We have load 1 and load 2. This is connected to our 30 amp double pole breaker in the distribution panel. We have another wire from the earth bar, which is our neutral.
Black wire.
Yeah. And it is connected, come straight down
to the neutral bar
in the distribution panel. And these wires are 6 millimeter square. And we have our earth wire here. The purpose of this earth wire is to go into the ground rod, so it protect the house from dangers such as lightning and thunderstorm.
Yeah, so it protect the devices in the house.
Appliances.
Yes, it protect the appliance from any danger.
Yeah, and one last thing, we have a little wire here which is connected to the neutral bar. Neutral bar and the earth bar, this acts as a neutral in the circuit. Yeah. Now my team member will talk about the final sub-circuit.
Yeah, so here you go see we use a 15 amp single pole breaker to the purpose of the 15 amp single pole breaker is to protect the switches and the lamp. Yes. So the wire that we have used to connect to our 15 amp single pole, yes, our single pole breaker is a 1.5 millimeter square red wire. Yes. So here you could see we connect to our 15 amp breaker through our conduit to the 4x4x2 junction down to, then go through the 90-degree bend to the common terminal of our two-way switch, which is switch 1. Yes, so here you could see it stops. Here you could see it stop right here.
Which is a common termination.
Yes. So the wire from this switch, which goes to the 15 amp single pole breaker, is our switch feed wire. Then here now, on the two-way switch, you could see two wire, which is the two travelers connected together to a 90-degree bend to our 4x4 by 2 junction down to our
intermediate switch,
which is switch 2. Yes, so here you could see connected. Yes, connected. Then we use a next two travelers from the intermediate switch, which is switch 2, come out to our conduit to our 90-degree bend, come down to our next two-way switch, which is switch 3. Yes, so you could see the two wires, the two travelers connected here. Then we use a next wire to connect on the common terminal of the two-way switch. Travel through our 90-degree bend up to the tongue part of the lamp. Yeah, the tongue part of the lamp, which is the live part. Yeah. So the wire which we run from the switch here, which is switch 3, to the tongue of the lamp, is our load feed wire.
Yes. Is our load feed.
Here again, you could see our black wire, which is coming from our neutral bar of the distribution panel. The wire that we use is a 1.5 black single core wire. So we connect it to the neutral bar of the breaker panel, coming through our conduit, coming up to the neutral part of the lamp. Yeah.